I'm really pleased about the garlic harvest this year. I have been trying to grow garlic for years, and this is the best. And I think I got it out at the right time this year. Last year it was October. That was way too late. This year, July. These are really good sizes too. There's some small ones, but there's also some. This one looks real odd. I just pulled them out of the really wet dirt. That's a good sized one. And these are all pretty medium size. I had quite a mix of garlic, and they were all mixed together because I was like, I didn't want to make a big plan and have one garlic over there and one over there. I wanted to just throw them into the ground, get it over with. So a late garlic scape. And I also have some bulbils. That's the parsley flowers in the background. I'm going to let these go. Then I'll have some little bulbils to plant. I love to do that. I had the garlic in patches around the garden. I found one more patch. I have more garlic. I'm pleased with that. Now that garlic patch is planted among the leeks, and they are all flowering. I missed their edible stage, and they're so pretty when they're flowering. Now, I have a surprise one. It's purple, and I'm not sure how come it turned purple. They used to all be white. I have onions in little patches, too. These are my best onions. They were planted earliest. The rest were transplants out of a pot, the crowded ones. You probably saw that video.